Hi there, welcome to my channel. I am Girija, and today we will be having December's Pick a Card Tarot reading. I'm super excited to have this reading with you guys, and so let me tell you the options first. Number one is this beautiful pyrite crystal. Number two, this is lapis lazuli Merkaba. I love Merkabas. And the third crystal is the petrified wood, this one. All right, so please pick your crystal or pick the pile, and I will be putting the timestamps below in the description box, and I will see you there. Please remember, these are generalized reading. These are the readings for collective or group consciousness. To book a private reading, you can always contact me. I will be putting everything into the description box. I hope you enjoy your reading, and I will see you the other side. Hi, group number one. For people who have chose this pyrite crystal, I feel very strongly that you are concerned with your finances, you are concerned with your abundance, and in the month of December, I am seeing major shifts for you. So here are your cards. So first, let's see what is your main theme. In your main theme, or in your core energy, the energy is showing up as moon. Okay, so you might be highly intuitive this month, and also I'm seeing like there are certain hidden things which you are not aware about, that those are coming under the light. You might be gaining some knowledge with certain aspects. It could be with regards to your work, it could be with regards to your relationships, and whatever you are concerned with, there are certain hidden aspects. Those will suddenly come in front of you, and the energy that you are holding of this blindfold, where you might be ignoring certain things, or you might be um, you might be kept away from certain knowledge, certain information that is coming in front of you, and you are gaining this stand for yourself, and you are expressing yourself. You are telling the people like what you will accept, what you will not. And I'm just seeing like in between this month, in mid month or by the month end, you are coming into this Nine of Pentacles energy, which is a very very abundant, independent, and amazing energy. So I strongly feel that with regards to your work, there could be certain things which you might be waiting on, and by taking that stand by yourself, by speaking your highest truth, you are coming into this amazing energy, which is beautiful, which is abundant, which is of fulfillment. And some certain guidance is also coming to cut the cords with the things, with experiences, with situations, with people who are not serving your highest and best. It could be also with regards to your work, it could be with regards to your love life, and uh, with regards to your health. The card that shows is the muscles means movements. So by cutting the cords, you will be able to move in a very easy and in the right direction. Cutting the cords with things those are not serving your highest and best purpose. And I'm also seeing that with regards to your love life, you are already in a very beautiful soulmate kind of a relationship, and you are having these romantic feelings. And if you are single, there are high chances that you are meeting someone amazing who is more kind of abundant, independent, and also at present single. So there are high chances that you are meeting someone very very interesting, or you are leveling up your current romantic relationship. So this is all that I'm seeing for the month of December for you, for this group. And I hope you enjoyed this reading. This is all I am having for you. If I can have some guidance for you. Yes, you are ending major cycle that you are not able to complete. The divine is helping you, guiding you to complete this cycle, and you will be soon stepping into a very strong foundation. So it could be with regards to your money, with regards to your relationship. You are coming into better and clearer energies. You are releasing this blindfold from your eyes, and this is what I'm seeing you. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and thank you so much for being here. Hi, group number two. For people, those who have chose this beautiful Merkaba. For you, majorly, I see that universe is guiding you towards some sort of communication. It could be e-communication. It could be something with regards to communication. So if you are holding yourself back to communicate something, please think over it and think how you will be expressing that particular thing. So, getting back to your cards, what I'm seeing major theme for you in this month of December is the judgment. So, I feel that you are getting or coming towards certain conclusions that you were waiting for a very long time, and there were or there are certain unfinished symphonies, unfinished projects, unfinished decisions that those are pending, or unfinished conclusions with regards to some aspects, those are pending, those are coming towards closure. And also there are high chances that you are coming out of certain toxic relationships, certain toxic situations with regards to work, family, friends, also with regards to your love life, or also you might be thinking of getting out of certain addictions. It could be substance abuse, it could be addiction of negative thought patterns, or some lower vibrational habits that you might be planning to let go. And then you are coming into a very strong foundation, a very happy kind of energy that will put you in a complete different vibe. And that is also showing up very strong. And I am also seeing that you are guided towards working on your sacral chakra, or you have already started paying attention towards your emotions, towards the way you are feeling, and anything that might be making you feel low, you are thinking over it and you are letting go of that particular aspects. Those are putting you into a lower mood. So this card says that you are highly sensitive to chemicals, addictive processed foods and energies right now. Respect your sensitivities by avoiding harsh items, situations and relationships. The exact thing that I was saying, you are coming out of any toxicity. Many of you might be also planning to change your diet patterns, change certain ingredients and stuff like that. Also, the health card is showing the bones. Again, whenever anything comes on the bones, it is challenging your sense of foundation. Our bones gives us the strength, gives us a certain structure. So you might be working on certain foundation with regards to your own energy, with regards to your own work process, with regards to your relationship, and there is this strong foundation that are coming towards you. And here is the guidance, here is the guidance that is coming for you to pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. So it could be especially with regards to your romantic life, that you already are getting certain intuitions, you are already getting certain insights about your partner, about your relationship, about your own self. If you want to be in the relationship, or if you would like to take some decision, if you would like to stand up for yourself, that is the judgment card that is guiding you to have that perspective, to listen to your intuitions and listen to your own divine guidance. And anything else that is coming, yes, this card is showing the number 10. That means you are coming towards the closure, towards the conclusion that you were seeking. And the minute you are ready to accept that closure and conclusion, you will see the path, you will experience the closure with that particular aspect. Yes, there is the guidance that is coming for you to do some soul searching, to go inwards, to understand what your thoughts, emotions, feelings, and belief systems are standing on, what they are trying to tell you. Temperance is the extreme energy of being balanced, of being subconsciously in touch with yourself. Hermit card tells you to take that time for yourself and understand what the energies are telling you. I am also getting that this group is very much intuitive about about everything. You get very strong intuitions through your dreams, through any signs or symbols. I feel this group might be seeing number synchronicities like triple two, triple three, 1111, all these kinds of synchronicities. So pay attention to these synchronicities. Yes, this is all what I have for you for this reading. I hope you enjoy this reading, and thank you so much for being here. Hi, group number 3, people who have chose this beautiful petrified wood. So, by tuning into this crystal, I strongly feel that this particular group is very, very light-hearted, fun-loving, and innocent, childlike energy that I am able to scan. But also, I'm able to scan that something is weighing you down, and now is the time for you to release this. Okay, so let us start with your reading, like what cards are saying. First of all, the card that is pulling my attention is this card of Fool. So congratulations, guys, you are starting something new and very, very exciting, and something that will, add on that energy into your daily life. So I am just seeing with the cards that after a very long time you are able to put down this burden that you might be holding from very long time with regards to your work, profession, relationship. And soon I am just seeing that you are getting this opportunity with regards to money, with regards to your profession, some kind of new project, new business, any kind of job switch that you are looking for. Also, I am seeing promotions, appraisals, and all good stuff that you might be waiting on with regards to your work front. And also, I am seeing a new love offer that is coming for this particular group. Either you are offering this cup of love, or you might be receiving this cup of love, and that is the new beginnings. Those are coming for you. So congratulations. It's very amazing to see these kinds of energies. And also, this card is coming like, why you are a knowledge or information digger. You are very great, like you analyze each and every situation. So you every time anything comes in front of you, you are like, why this is happening, why, what, where, all those kind of logical questions. But that all these questions put you into the right direction. And I'm just seeing that you are coming into a very kind of fresh energy, new beginnings, new challenges, new not challenges, new adventure, all that kind of stuff. Also, with regards to your work, you might meet uh, new high vibe people, high vibe colleagues that will help you literally to progress, to achieve all that success. And yes, visualize success. So this card says that see yourself doing well in this situation and have faith in the positive outcome. Yes, so no matter what the outcome is, just be in that surrender mode, and start visualizing the success that you want. Start feeling the feelings that you want to experience from this particular outcome. And I'm also seeing that the health card that is coming is fat. So many a times we gain excess fat because we are holding some kind of fear within ourselves, within our cellular memory. So when you start releasing those fears, when you start releasing those burdens from your emotional body, from your mental body, slowly you will start seeing that your physical health is also gaining that momentum towards more healthy and more towards more well-being. So if you guys are planning to cut down the fat, or you are planning to have certain lifestyle, so that you get into better body composition, just go for it. And yes, I also do consult with regards to physical fitness, so do let me know if I can help you in any ways. And also with regards to your love life, let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. So there are high chances that any of your friend might approach you with this cup of love, or or you might meet someone interesting through your friends. So that is amazing. And let's see, like, what else, anything else that is coming for this group, anything else that is coming for this group. So this is a very light-hearted, yes, King of Wands. You are coming out of this Four of Cups energy, which is of boredom, which is of laid back types situation. So you are coming out of this, you are coming out of this burden, and where you are coming more into this passionate, action oriented, and commanding kind of energy. You are coming in this position, and also you are attracting all that material success, love, new beginnings, and all those good things in life. So I hope you enjoyed this reading. This is all what I have for you, and you can always book a private reading with me. Thank you so much for being here.